Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Ako si Siti Amina Dimaporo, ang Congresswoman sa 2nd District of Lanao del Norte. With the blessing and the instruction of our good governor, niabot ang PFF diri og nituyok mi sa MCC para makita nila ang venue. Makita pod nila ang newly built field. We were looking at possibilities na kung magpadala mi og mga professional teams diri to host the Philippine Football League, where they would be staying, when they would be playing, and the possibilities of catering during the time of day. As part of the grassroots program that the Kapatid is doing to develop, football is one of them. We can show to the children here sa Lanao del Norte unsay mga possibilities kung makasulod sila sa football and the programs that we will be bringing in together with the partnership of the PFF.